Good afternoon, B. Colin here with TechOut, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Black Shark 5. This is a gaming phone. This is not the Pro version. A lot of people have been reviewing the Pro version, and a lot of these reviews are outside the US. So I purchased this on Amazon. It was $5.49, but they had a one of those $50 coupons you could apply, so I got it for just under $500. And you know, of course, it came Amazon Prime with that next day delivery. So let me just find some real quick here to cut this plastic off, and we will get started. Cool thing about this phone is it's got 120 watt charging. I'm not sure if the adapter in here is US or not. I did buy an adapter though, just in case it's not, so we can still try that out hopefully. Right, so I've got the plastic open here. Alright, so a little bit of little text there. There is something else in here. We do have a SIM eject tool right there. Looks like a case. Some information right there. Here's the phone itself. I'm going to set that to the side real quick. I do want to see. Alright, so we do get a US power adapter for the one sold on Amazon in the US, which is very nice. So it looks like I can go ahead and send that adapter back. I don't need the converter. So that's very, very nice to see. 120 watt charger in the box, like I said. It's supposed to charge, I think, from like 10% to 100% in like 14 or 15 minutes. And you can also put it on a balance mode that's like, it charges in like 24 minutes, supposed to keep the battery a little bit cooler, stuff like that. So we'll be testing all that out here in another video. This is just the unboxing, but we do get a US 120 watt adapter. And then we get a USB A to C cable right here. Very nice. So very nice they included the case. I didn't know that came with US version. A lot of these global phones don't include cases. I did also pick a case up on Amazon for like $12. So I do have two cases now, and the charger is US, so I don't need that other adapter. Alright, so here is the phone itself. Like I said, this is not the Pro one. It does have like some dust or something on it from that plastic. This is not the Pro one, so it is the Snapdragon 870. The Pro Black Shark 5 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So a little bit more power, but this is just something I'm going to be playing around with, so I don't necessarily need a huge amount of power. We have your triggers right here. You just flip those switches and you have triggers that pop out on the top, and you can flip those switches back and they go back down and recess into the phone, so you don't have to worry about accidentally pressing them when you're not playing a game or wanting to use them. Very nice. We'll peel this off right here. This is the, I believe it's called, I don't remember what the color name was, but it's like a black, glossy black. It does fingerprint a lot. That, like I said, that paper stuff is leaving a lot of gunk on it. But other than that, very nice, very reflective, looks cool in the light. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up, and I will be doing another video once I have everything set up and have some time to play with it. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.